In this video, we're going to break down how to use SuiteDash to create sales funnels for your business. If you're looking to streamline your lead generation and customer journey, SuiteDash can be a powerful tool, but is it the best option for your business? Stick around till the end where I'll share some exclusive benefits and a competitor that might actually be a better fit. First, let's dive into SuiteDash's Sales Funnel Builder. The software offers a comprehensive suite of tools, but let's talk specifically about creating funnels. SuiteDash makes it easy to set up automated workflows. You start by designing your funnels pages. These could be landing pages or forms where customers input their details. The page editor is fairly intuitive, but not the most beginner-friendly. If you've used other funnel builders like ClickFunnels or Kartra, the drag-and-drop functionality here may feel a bit more rigid. Next thing, SuiteDash allows you to segment your audience and personalize your funnels. You can create custom triggers based on the actions your users take, like signing up for a free offer or clicking on a specific link. This personalization is key for converting leads into customers, and SuiteDash does offer some flexibility here, though it's not as advanced as some competitors. If you need more detailed tracking and dynamic content, you might find SuiteDash a little limiting. The third thing to consider is the integration options. SuiteDash does a good job of connecting with other tools, like email marketing platforms and payment gateways, but again, it's not as seamless or wide-ranging as some of the larger players in the funnel building space. You may find yourself spending a bit more time making integrations work compared to something like ClickFunnels, which is known for its extensive library of pre-built integrations. Now let's talk automation. SuiteDash allows you to set up automated email sequences, which is a must-have for any sales funnel. You can trigger emails based on user behavior and set up follow-ups that nurture leads through the funnel. While it's nice to have, if you're running complex campaigns, SuiteDash's automation features are a bit more basic compared to specialized email marketing tools like ActiveCampaign. The fifth thing you should know is that SuiteDash offers a client portal, which is really unique compared to other funnel builders. If you're running a service-based business, you can use SuiteDash's CRM to not only build funnels, but also manage projects and communicate directly with clients through a secure portal. This is something you won't get with platforms like ClickFunnels or Builderall, which are more focused on marketing than client management. Lastly, the pricing. SuiteDash has an all-in-one pricing structure that can seem appealing at first, but when you stack it up against the specialized tools for funnel building, you might find it lacks some of the more advanced features. But if you're a small business looking for a comprehensive solution, it could work. Just keep in mind that its learning curve might not be worth it if all you need is a solid funnel builder. Now, before you make any decisions, here's something important. We've partnered with some amazing alternatives that might actually be better suited for creating high-converting sales funnels. These tools also come with free trials, but through our link, you'll get an exclusive offer and the best trial benefits available to our viewers. Check out the link in the description for the best deals and an exclusive extended trial. It's time to make a smarter choice for your business's sales funnels.